Chance Comanche, 23 CR 95016 and 23 CR 95754. Counsel, can you state your appearances for the record?
Kennedy Volpes on behalf of the state.
Hello.
Gary Guyman on behalf of Chance Comanche, who's present at the custody.
Hello. Okay, a couple housekeeping matters. More than one housekeeping matter. I have several media requests. I have two from KLAS, but they're basically just for the two different case numbers. And then I have one from KSNV TV. Is there any objection by either party on these media requests?
Not this time, Your Honor, no.
No.
And one from the Review Journal. Okay, so I am signing the order for media in 23 CR 9095016, which only requested recording. I am signing the order in 23 CR 95754, which only requested recording. I am signing the request, or the order from KSNV TV. However, they requested live televising, audio, and streaming. I don't allow that because of various reasons, mainly to protect confidential information through live streaming. So I've allowed the not live, televising, recording, photographing, and broadcasting. Pardon? I only have 3 requests out. And I'll sign the one from the RJ as soon as we figure out where it is. Okay, now, I have a couple other questions for the state. I'm not understanding what's going on with all these case numbers, because it's my understanding, only because I had Ms. Harnden's original case for the first-degree kidnapping. So that case has been assigned to JC-12. And I will, I guess, iterate them in the order in which the court received them. The first case that was opened was against Ms. Harnden for first-degree kidnapping. That was assigned to JC-12. I believe that case, I was out last week, but I believe that case might still be open in JC-12. Then I signed an arrest warrant for Mr. Comanche for first-degree kidnapping, which was a different case number assigned to JC-12. So I signed that arrest warrant. Then, subsequently, apparently when the state had the evidence to charge murder, a second case was open for Ms. Harnden charging murder, and that's been assigned to, I think, JC-14. And now there's a second case opened for Mr. Comanche for murder that was assigned to JC-12, but 11, but in initial appearance court, they reassigned it to me, which it still has a JC-11 case number on it. So we have 4 different case numbers going through the system for 2 defendants for the same event. So, state, what is your position and what is your intent on all these case numbers?
Eventually they will all be consolidated together. I know Ms. Harnden was here, which is why her case came first, and she got here, which is why that one kind of came second. Ms. Harden's case is set for prelim and status check on those 2 cases. I believe it's February 9th.
Are they set on the same day, even though it's in different departments?
Yes, the preliminary hearing on the homicide is set, I believe it's February 9th, and the status check on the kidnapping is set that same day in your department.
Okay.
So then there's these 2 cases here.
Okay.
And Judge, if I might, jail lodging indicated that it was set for her on the 8th.
Of February?
Yes, and that there's a status check on the 14th on the other case, I believe. Now, I don't want to overspeak counsel, but that's what the jail record showed yesterday.
That would sound accurate to me. It's around that same time.
So it's 5 weeks out or so.
Correct.
Okay, so what's the state's intention globally on going forward with all these case numbers? Is the state's intent to consolidate them, both defendants and both of their cases, all 4 cases, into one case?
Your Honor, I believe so, yes.
Okay, and when and how is the state going to do that?
Your Honor, I'm not aware at this time how we're going to do it. This is Mr. Pesci's handling the case. I'm just here for today's hearing. I don't know exactly how it's going to happen, but I know that is the intent. Eventually, everything will be put together.
Okay. So, I don't know if that means in justice court or district court, so I guess I'll just drive on with the cases that I have in front of me and assigned to me in front of me until I see a motion to consolidate or something like that. Maybe the state's intent is to just do it in district court. I really don't know. But, so Mr. Guyman, does your client have both criminal complaints and waive its reading?
Yes, Your Honor.
And does your client want a preliminary hearing in both of these matters that have now been assigned to me, even though one of them is still, I mean, it was filed in JC-11, but initial appearance court sent it to me, reassigned it to me, so I guess it's me. That's the murder case. So do you want a preliminary hearing within 15 days?
No, Your Honor, we'll be waiting on that.
Okay. So, Mr. Comanche, do you understand the charges against you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You have a right to a preliminary hearing within 15 days of today's date. A right to a preliminary hearing on these felony offenses. Mr. Guyman informs me that he's talked with you and that you're willing to give up that 15-day period for your preliminary hearing. You're not waiving or giving up your preliminary hearing completely. You're just waiving or giving up the preliminary hearing within 15 days. I want to make sure you understand and agree with that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So when are you looking for a preliminary hearing? Do you want to set it around the time Ms. Harndon's are scheduled?
Certainly, Your Honor. That would work.
Okay. So
I'm hopeful to be ready. I mean, it depends on how quickly I receive the discovery, but it is 5 weeks out right now.
okay. And so when do you think her prelim in the kidnapping case in JC-12, let's call it the original case number, you seem to have a disagreement of when that's set for prelim?
I believe the kidnapping case is just set for a status check, but homicide is set for February 8th.
February 8th? Okay. So we'll set his preliminary hearings here on these 2 cases, February 8th at 9 a.m., unless something changes through some sort of consolidation motion between now and then. Is there anything else we need to address?
Not at this time, Your Honor. We would like to reserve our right to address bail if and when we get there.
Okay, so the defense is waiving their right to a speedy, if you will, Valdez-Jimenez hearing, and will file a motion for bail if they deem appropriate.
Correct.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Honor.